The Redmi K50 Ultra was powered by the top-tier Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus processor of its time, yet it sold for only half the price of other flagships. It was an absolute value king and hugely popular among young users. But how could Xiaomi offer such powerful hardware at such a low price? Now, 3 years after its release, the answer seems clear. This phone was working fine, until one day, a line appeared on the screen. Then two, then three. Now the display is nearly unusable. This is what people call planned obsolescence, the idea that a device is only designed to last about 2 years. After that, parts begin to wear out and fail, forcing users to upgrade. But we won't let manufacturers win that easily. Let's take a look at how to replace the screen on this device. Here's our replacement screen. We'll begin disassembling the phone from the back.
You were a simple girl from a tiny place. Left the dusty roads for the big
Step 1. Power off the phone if the touch still works. Then use a magic self-heating pad to heat the back for around 10 minutes.
I watched you leave with a tear in my eye, hoping your heart reaching for the sky. Now you're back with a shine in your eyes, so refined amidst the urban lights.
Once it's warm, slide in a pry tool to create a small gap, then apply a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Insert a plastic opening card and gently work your way around the edges. If you feel resistance, apply a little more alcohol. Once the back cover is off, try to preserve the original adhesive if possible. Alcohol-based removal softens the glue without completely ruining its stickiness. Now grab your new screen. The screen connector is in the bottom right corner. But before anything, open the top cover and disconnect the battery for safety. Next, remove the speaker assembly at the bottom. This is the screen connector. Before installing the new screen, test it first. Plug in the new screen, then reconnect the battery. Power it on. Check for display issues, dead pixels, lines, etc. Drag icons around to test touch responsiveness across all corners. Once everything checks out, power off the phone again, disconnect the battery and the screen. Flip the phone over to remove the broken screen, same process as the back cover. Heat it up with the magic pad, then pry up a small section, insert the card, and slide around all 4 sides. The screen will come off quite easily. Clean off any leftover adhesive or broken glass. This is super important. Leftover glue or debris can damage the new screen during installation. Now, apply B7000 glue evenly around the frame.
Can't say I'm sorry if I don't regret it at all. You are the girl of my dreams. We ain't all that close, but I'm dying just for a call. And I'm just thinking about the best way to say hello. Cause I have no doubt it's with you I wanna grow old. There is no way.
Too little won't hold. Too much will seep underneath and harden, creating a safety hazard. Avoid the sensor area, and flex cables glue can damage them or interfere with signal and light detection. These are hard-learned lessons from real repairs.
You were a simple girl from a tiny place. Left the dusty roads for the big city.
Because the screen has ultra-narrow bezels, B7000 alone isn't strong enough. We'll also use Tessa Tape professional-grade double-sided adhesive with strength and thickness similar to the original.
I watched you leave with a tear in my eye. Hoping your heart reached.
Apply a full loop around the frame and press it down firmly using an orange spudger.
With the shine in your eyes, are so refined amidst the urban lights. From small town streets to the city bright, you came back different like a star in the night. Once
Alright,
we were
feed the screen flex through the hole and press the screen into place.
You walk these old roads with designer shoes. But inside I see the girl I always knew. We laugh about the years and how we've grown. In your warmth I find my heart's new home. I loved you then and I love you now. Small town
Reconnect the screen and the battery.
break our vow. Together we'll dance under the stars above in our small town. A tale
Before
of
final
love.
assembly, test the screen once more.
From small town streets to the city bright, you came back different like a star in the night. Once we were small, now we're bigger dreams. In this love, we're stronger than we've ever been. You walk these old roads with designer shoes. But inside
Perfect,
I
everything
see the
works.
girl I always knew. We laugh about the years and how we've grown. In your warmth, I find my heart's new home.
Reattach the cover plates and screws.
Had a dream about you last night. You taught me how to save you.
The original adhesive on the back cover is still sticky. Add a bit of extra glue, press it down, and you're done.
It's better to spend my time with you than with anyone else. We joked out our great day, looking at each other up and down. What made me crush on you more? I was used to play hide and seek. You tied up your hair and focused on to let yourself on the floor. And I'm just thinking about the best way to say hello. Cause I have no doubt it's with you I wanna grow.
Thanks for watching.